Turn me up. My. Oh, you gonna get it now.
Right, welcome to another episode. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to quickly take off the center box. I'm not going to put the exhaust on now, and the reason for that is on the wire pipe. We need like little, almost like hooks, for the exhaust springs to hook onto. So I'm going to put this on for now. Then I was supposed to go to Warren yesterday to get the welding done, but my son was sick, so I couldn't get around to doing that. So for now I think, I'm just going to take the silencer off, take the entire box, the bottom off, put the lambda back in there, with the O2 sensor, and just put the silencer back for now until like next weekend, and we'll take it from there. So I'm going to quickly do that, but I think we need to, as usual, do the before, during and after. So I'll quickly start it up. Very quiet, so let's get to it. Well, that was pretty plain, easy and simple. Bolt off, bolt on, obviously. But yeah, let's see what it sounds like. Well, that sounded a little bit different. Okay, well, that's cool. Sounds different. Not huge amounts, but it sounds different. So I do think when the small exhaust is on, it's going to flip and sound amazing. So I'll catch up when we do that. Okay, back to Warren's house again. This time we are sorting out the bike. You guys saw me in the previous clip do the wire pipe at the bottom. Warren's now going to help me put the shorty pipe on, weld and all that kind of shit. So say hi, Warren.
Hello.
Okay, so take a clamp. So there's 4 10 mils there, then it's a 13 at the back and it's a 15 at the bottom, and then we can slide the entire pipe off, and then it should be a quick tack, and then other pipe will be on. So we heard what the pipe sounded like with what the bike sounded like with the old silence at the bottom. It was a Sunday when I fitted it, so I couldn't really give you guys let you guys listen what it'll sound like without the silencer. So I think we're going to do that now. So we'll quickly get the exhaust off, and then we'll let you guys listen what it sounds like. Warren, the pipe's hot.
Funny bunny, eh?
Good Lord, that's loud. Okay, so yeah, that's it. Now next, put the pipe on.
tack bolts for you.
Well, I don't think that's supposed to look like that. So what I've read on the forums is, so on the clock there, the time resets every time I switch the ignition off. And they said it is possibly something to do with extra, what is it, the power point or whatever it is. I think it's dirty inside there, so I think give it a little bit of a clean, put it back and see if it makes any difference. Okay, so cleaning that PowerPoint didn't really make a difference, so I'll investigate even further, but like I said, it's not the end of the world. It just basically shows zero, you know. Oh, so this is a temporary setup. Actually just mounted, so I mounted the speedometer earlier, just so I could see kind of what speed I'm doing and that type of thing. And now, while Warren's busy welding inside there, I just mounted the speedo a little bit higher up, and then there was a space next to it for the ref counter. So again, it's a temporary setup, just so I can kind of get a feel for what I want to do. It's possible that I can mount this, I don't know, somewhere here, maybe underneath there or somewhere, I don't know yet. And then the lights with the indicators and stuff, I can always mount that, I think maybe like under here, I don't know. Like I said, it's just a temporary setup until I can kind of get a feel for what I want to do. And then once that's sorted, I think then I can start, then everything is basically done on the front, so I can then start sorting out the wiring, cleaning it up nicely, making it look good. But yeah, Warren's busy with the pipes, so I'll show you guys that now. Very nice, very nice. I love the colouring that comes out.
Especially added colours for you today.
Oh, thanks, man. And just like that, it's done. I'll weld it up. Nice and clean. Spring hooks are in place. So I'm going to quickly put the O2 sensor back in and then slip it up. Okay, first start. Here we go. Because remember kids, loud pipes save lives. Alright, so now a couple of days later, fretted about quite a bit, so the exhaust has changed the tone a little bit, but I'm absolutely loving it. It sounds amazing riding it. I can feel the power difference. So I'm going to quickly do a cold start for you guys. Yeah, let me know what you guys think. I think it sounds absolutely amazing. I mean, riding on the road, people can hear me now. and they actually move out of the way when they hear me coming. So that's awesome. I am going to try and put you guys on the GoPro. Hopefully if I go home with the bike tonight, put you on the GoPro so that you can, well, I don't know if we're really gonna hear much. I don't know, I'll see. Maybe if I put you guys on the back or even on the handlebar, you should hear. So that should be the next clip.